Okay, welcome to Training Minutes from the Fire Academy. We're going to do a quick overview on residential elevators. Since Superstorm Sandy, there has been a building boom on the Barrier Island and a lot of areas in our response district that have waterfront properties. A lot of these houses are being elevated, and a lot of these houses are having residential elevators installed. So this is just a quick overview on residential elevators. In case you get called to a stuck residential elevator, you might have an idea of what you're looking at in order to get the people out. So residential elevators are very similar to commercial elevators with a few differences. Here I'm going to put my laser pointer. This is a hoistway door, and it's a solid core wood door. It's going to look like any other door in the house, so you may be confused as to where the actual elevator is. A couple giveaways is you're going to have the call button right here next to the door. Other things you're going to see is the interlock device right here, and the shaftway in residential elevators is going to be made of gypsum or sheetrock, not block like in commercial buildings. Here we're looking at the hoistway door. Again, you can see it's a residential looking door. You can see the bolts here for the locking mechanism, and then you can see the hole in the door for the keyway, or the key to unlatch the interlock. Here is the interlock device right here. This is just a close-up of the interlock device. Here it is. Here is the manual release lever, and the manual release lever goes from 6 o'clock and you move it upwards to the 12 o'clock position. Okay, here is a look at the manual release lever and interlock device minus the cover. Again, here is the lever itself, and it moves from a 6 o'clock to a 12 o'clock position, and that releases the locking device on the car door. Here is a Crescent hoistway key, pretty common hoistway key to manipulate the interlock device. You may also be able to use a very small screwdriver, or even a dipstick from the car motor works real well. Big thing is, whenever we work with elevators, we want to disconnect the power first. Here's a picture of hydraulic pump installation, very similar to our commercial elevators. If you look, you can see where I put my pointer. This is the manual lowering device, manual lowering valve. So if you find the car outside of the landing zone, you can manually lower the car back into the landing zone, just like we do with a commercial elevator. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. If anybody has pictures of residential elevators, we could use them. I want to put together a more concise presentation. If anybody has some direct information from responding to an actual residential elevator call, I'd like to hear from you. Let me know what worked, what didn't work. Again, we're going to try to put something together in the future, more concise training program for this. So thanks a lot. There's my email. Give me a shout if you got some information. All right, stay safe out there.